no? Sina-explain namin na pwede natin i-close do kasi ang mga importanteng veins natin is underneath the muscle.
Tsaka we have like what we call millions of veins.
Yeah, so it's okay na i-close to avoid yung mga symptoms.
Yes.
Okay, tapos sa mga treatment natin, usually na-observe namin is yung symptoms ang una na nawawala. Usually after first or second session, nawawala agad yung symptoms.
Okay. Parang blackboard, biglang nag-erase.
Yes.
Yung mga questions sa atin.
Yes, yun yung mga common na questions.
Again, we have a texter from Malu of Puerto Princesa. Ayan.
Talaga po bang nawawala kapag nag-treatment na? Di na babalik?
Dr.
Pag
Sores?
once treated na, hindi na bumabalik.
So that means, sabi nga ni Dr. Once is already treated, those varicose vein will not be back anymore.
Pero of course, after the treatment, dapat meron din maintenance yung mga viewers natin, yung mga tao nagpapa-treatment. Kasi if magpabaya sila sa lifestyle nila, it will always come back in other parts of the body.
Again, from
Ellen Santos of
Northern Samar. Wow.
Does the cost you mentioned include the treatment of both legs?
Yes.
Yes. So both legs na ang treatment.
Both legs na yan.
Ellen, for
lahat ng
that
visible
particular amount, those visible
Veins,
varicose veins,
All parts of the legs is already included.
Wow.
It's a package, Doc.
It's a package na. So that means that this is very affordable, Kata.
And parang talaga suit to everyone.
It doesn't
Hindi
need to
siya
be
nabibili.
expensive,
Yes.
no? Oh, it doesn't need to be expensive. Yeah. Okay, so again, wow, the patient is very comfortable, and kaya nga sabi nga ni Dr. Azores and Dr. Cappuccino that the patient could go home immediately after the procedures, no?
Doctor, what do you advise after going the surgery? Like right after, ano po dapat gawin ng ating patient?
Okay.
Post-op management.
Post-op management sa pasyente, we do advise them to remove the cotton balls after 2 hours.
2 hours. So.
Okay, then lifestyle modification, yung avoid prolonged standing, prolonged sitting. Tapos if for those with larger ones, we do advise them to wear medical grade stockings or bandages. Now, yung mga naka-bandages, pinapa-apply natin yon while undergoing the treatment para mas mabilis ang improvement.
Okay. Wow. Now we're doing again the treatment. We're just using what gauge of anong gauge ng needle natin dito, Dr. Azores?
Okay, we're using the smallest gauge needle, gauge 30.
Gauge
Ito
30
pag tinusok mo, masakit pa yung kagat ng lamok na malaki.
Oh, okay. Ito yata yung needles na ginagamit ng mga dentist, no?
Ito yung ginagamit ng mga dentist.
tooth
Talagang
extraction.
maliit, halos hindi mo ramdaman yung tusok.
Oh, wow. Okay. Again, we have
Texter from Emma of CDO, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang procedure na yan? Kailangan ba madalas ang pag-take ng procedure nito?
Okay.
Sabihin niya, how frequent is the treatment?
Frequent. Now, pwede natin itong gawin ng after 4 days from the first session kung talagang nagmamadali at may pupuntahan. In fact, we do have patients from faraway provinces who come to Manila for the treatment. So, ina-advise namin sila pag nandito sila sa Manila, go to the clinic, have the treatment, then saka sila namamasyal na.
Wow. Alam mo, Kata, we have a lot of questions, texters, and we have only very few. 1 hour lang to eh. Maybe next time siguro, gawin natin yung mga 2 hours na to if the management will allow. Well, thank you very much, doctors. Any message, Dr. Cappuccino, and can you give your address where we can find your clinic?
For those who have problems like varicose veins, you can go to our clinic in Johnson Midland Plaza in Adriatico Street in Manila, beside Robinson's Place.
Yes. Dr. Azores?
Okay, like Dr. Cappuccino said, kung merong sumasakit ng mga binti, patingnan natin, pa-assess natin sa doktor para malaman natin kung ito ay cause ng varicose veins or arthritis.
Yes. How are your contact number?
Okay, we have contact number at Midland at 5211444. Same address in Midland Plaza.
And also in Quezon City?
Number 17, South Borromeo, South Triangle, Quezon City, Timog, malapit sa Timog.
Okay, and we have also in SM
Santa Rosa, Laguna.
We are the second floor of SM Santa Rosa, Laguna, and one in
Marquee Mall and the
City,
other in
Balibago, besides Shanghai Restaurant and Rural Bank, right?
Yes,
Rural Bank of Angeles. And one in Marquee Mall, the first floor, right?
Yes.
Of Marquee Mall. And our number is 521-1444. You can also call us up on that number to find the telephone number of other branches.
Other branches.
And of course, together with our co-host here, Kata Tibayan.
Thank
of course,
you for
Arlene.
everyone.
Thank you, Arlene. Thank you very much for the assistance. And we'd like to
Thank
thanks.
everyone for texting your questions. Keep on texting us. And please do watch out for more interesting topics next week.
And we have still a lot of texters
Na hindi pa nasasagot. Pero
Yes.
we promise to aid to your questions next week po.
Yes, and our show will be replayed tomorrow at 12:30 in the afternoon. That will be Sunday. So, nire-replay po itong show natin. And you can, again, watch it and you can still text that number, 0922-861-9761. And we could answer that through text also. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much, doctors. Thank you very much,
Thank you very
Arlene.
much.
Thank you very much, my beautiful,
Thank
lovely,
you, Doctor.
young
And thank you, of course, to our
Katati
viewers
Bayan.
for keeping us, for staying tuned to your channel, to our channel for this What's Up Doc Show.
Yes,
Thank you,
and this is Dr. John Seneca and Katati Bayan for
What's Up Doc?
It's automatic, it's electric. No matter what you do, whatever life may bring, there's something, it's electric.
In 1998,